Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that IOST token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, IOST is a high performance multi-chain blockchain infrastructure designed to bridge traditional finance with decentralized system, specializing in real world assets, RWA tokenization, Web3 payment solutions. Purpose-built for real-world finance, it provides scalable, compliant infrastructure to tokenize real-world assets like stocks, bonds, and enable secure Web3 payments. Advanced technical foundation. The network uses a unique proof of believability POB consensus for high throughput and supports Ethereum compatibility via EVM subnets. Growing regulated ecosystem backed by major funding and regulatory approval in key markets like Japan. It actively invests in other partners with RWA projects to expand its utility. IOST project institute rating is 4.6 and this project audited by Ceretic. IOST token total supplies 47.83 billion and circulating supplies around 32.19 billion IOST token. IOST token is listed on Binance, OKX, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.